friends and welcome to Pendulum IAS. Today we'll be discussing UPSC Current Affair quiz of 17 June. So let's start the session. Which of the following statements correctly describes Gondwana theria? It is a major coal belt in South America. It is a group of long extinct early mammals that coexisted with dinosaurs. It is an era between Cenozoic and Mesozoic, or it is a recently discovered species of frog in India. So the correct answer for this is option B, that is, it is a group of long extinct early mammals that coexisted with dinosaurs. Recently, a 74 million year old mammal teeth was discovered in Chile's Patagonia. You can see the location of Patagonia over here in the map. This teeth belong to a species called Megalodon baikashkenke. This species would have lived in southern Patagonia during the late Cretaceous era. It is the southernmost record of Gondwana theria, which is a group of long extinct early mammals that coexisted with dinosaurs. Therefore, the correct answer is option B. Moving to the next question. First of all, if you have not subscribed to our channel Pendulum IAS, please subscribe it and also press the bell icon to receive notification. You can also join us on our Telegram channel where we everyday post the study material related to UPSC. So that will be very helpful for you all. And the question is, recently a new species of fish named Schizothorax sicucirumensis has been discovered in which Indian state? Arunachal Pradesh, Maharashtra, West Bengal and Jammu and Kashmir. So the correct answer for this is option A, that is Arunachal Pradesh. A new species of fish named Schizothorax sicucirumensis has been discovered in Arunachal Pradesh. The name of the fish has been taken from the name of the rivers Siku and Siram, at the junction of which this fish was collected. The fish inhabits the waterlogged area of the torrential river drainage. Therefore, the correct answer is option A. Moving to the next question. What is the IUCN status of Malabar gliding frog? Endangered, vulnerable, least concern and extinct. So the correct answer for this is option C, that is least concern. Recently, a Malabar gliding frog was spotted at Pullad, Kerala. This frog, green frog, is a rare amphibian that can camouflage and glide in the air up to 10 to 12 meters. The scientific name of this frog is Rhacophorus malabaricus. This frog is endemic to rainforest of Western Ghats. It is one of the largest mossy frogs with a body length of 10 centimeter. You can see in the image this Malabar gliding frog, and its IUCN status is least concern. It is one of the rare amphibian, and therefore the correct answer is option C. Moving to the next question. It is an ancient form of performance dialogue and a variant of Yakshgan theatre. It is performed in the regions of Karnataka and Kerala. The artists in this sit across in a place without any costumes and engage in testing their oratory skills based on the episode chosen. Which of the following traditional arts is best described in the above given passage? Tala Madale, Jatra, Kalaria Pattu, Theru Pothu. So the correct answer is option A, that is Tala Madale. Recently, the artists of traditional theatre Tala Madale have gone virtual during the COVID-19 pandemic. The episode titled Paduka Pradhan was streamed live on social media. Tala Madale is an ancient form. It is a variant of Yakshgan theatre. It is performed in the regions of Kerala and Karnataka. Tala Madale is different from Yakshgan in the way that, unlike the latter, in the former, the artists sit across in a place without any costumes and engage in testing their oratory skills based on the episode chosen. In Tala Madale, there is no dance and costume like Yakshgan. Therefore, the correct answer is option A. Moving to the next question. Which of the following ministry is responsible for the implementation of ADIP scheme? Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Ministry of Finance, Ministry of Minority Affairs and Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment. So the correct answer for this is option D, that is Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment. Recently, the government has organized a virtual ADIP camp for free distribution of assistive aids and devices at block level for Divyangjans under the ADIP scheme. This is the first camp organized by the Artificial Limbs Manufacturing Corporation of India, ALMICO, a central public enterprise working under the aegis of Department of Empowerment of Persons with Disability under the Ministry of Social Justice and empowerment. Assistance to disabled persons for purchasing fitting of aids appliances, that is ADIP scheme, was launched to assist the Divyangjan persons in procuring modern, durable, standard aids and appliances that can increase their economic potential by promoting their physical, social and psychological rehabilitation. The Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment is the implementing agency for the ADIP scheme. Therefore, the correct answer is option D. So friends, here we have covered the daily current affair quiz of 17 June. I hope you are daily following this session and gaining a lot. If you like this video, like it, share it as much as you can and keep preparing with us. Thank you so much.